Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 13th of August. And we're right back here. We saw a nice good pump and they did it on a Saturday, but the thing is that Saturday just started and the weekend is upon us, and we got 15 hours right now to actually close the daily candlestick on the Saturday for the first weekend. Absolutely. Now yesterday I actually did thought about Bitcoin going down to nearly $23,200, which actually didn't happen, and there was a bear flag here that got invalidated. Bitcoin got so bullish that it just wanted to move up. So came down like this, made three black crows here, made a bear flag right there, and then it was supposed to come down to this trend line here, which was 23,340, but it didn't do that. But instead it actually bounced off the upper support level, which is a good thing, which is an amazing bounce. That's something you want to see for Bitcoin to continue to move to the upside as well. So right now, what we're doing is we're trying to put in here perhaps maybe a double top here. Who knows? Could be a double top on the 4-hour time frame. Could go up like this, come down, go up, make a double top, come down, break this level, boom, like this, and still continue to go to the downside. But I highly doubt that that's the case. I don't really think this is some sort of a double top, but this is a very different scenario right now. And there's one more thing that I probably didn't talk about regarding a support level here that I think I didn't actually notice that I noticed yesterday. And that is, when you break support, you hold support, right? So this is a level of support that you actually broke out of, and I think that Bitcoin pretty much came down to bounce off this area and then started to move to the upside. So if you do see Bitcoin starting retracing today on a weekend, then maybe we could have this shooting star again, all right? And then Sunday finishes the time off here, come down to 23,864, bounce off this level, and you're good to go to $25,300, because on a daily, this is a small pattern here that you just broke out of, and that technical target actually takes you from this place to that place, and you're looking for Bitcoin to actually come up here to this price level, which is going to be $25,386. Okay, so that was the pattern right there. Boom, something like this, made the pattern, broke out, came for the retest, probably can come down and stay here for a while and then push to the upside and go to $25,000. Now something crazy really happened for Bitcoin, and that is going to be the bull cross. This is, damn, how often do you get to see such a thing? We've been waiting for you, bull cross. We've been waiting for you all our entire lives right now. Damn it, it's been a long time we haven't seen the bull cross, and this really reminds me of my childhood. Oh, I'm having tears right now. But anyway, let's cut the drama, soap opera dramas, bullshits, and let's talk about it. This bull cross is something of beauty. And let's bring in Qcoin. Okay, in the Qcoin, I just want to show you how clear that bull cross really is. So my take is that instead of that 4-hour time frame being the double top, okay, that is in a very good evidential move right now. So what you want to see, of course, we've had the 10 and the 55 crossing one another, and you're about to get the 55 coming up as well. So in my opinion, you could actually wait for the EMAs to catch up like this, retrace down to the 10 EMA, and starting getting support of the 10 EMA itself from here. And when you make that cross, you're absolutely looking for Bitcoin to rally to the upside. Now, I still have my sights on the monthly. Let me just tell you that I still have my sights on a monthly time frame. But speaking about Bitcoin on a monthly, you are being supported very, very heavily down here as well. Okay, we cannot ignore the fact that 55 EMA is a very big support moving forward, and that's the last all-time high of 19,000 back in 2018, 2019-ish. You had that $19,000 level. You have the 55 EMA. So this is a pretty big support right now. But I'm still having my eyes set on the monthly. This month, whatever it is, could be green, could be amazing, could be a nice month. August, we might enjoy this month, but I cannot say the same about September. I'm gonna actually be very careful about September, and we're gonna actually see what Bitcoin does in September as well. Now, I do want to see Bitcoin moving up to $30,000 and printing inverse head and shoulder. That would be the likely scenario for me to say Bitcoin can move to $54,000. And how can we actually do that? This is just my own particular, something that I want to see. Okay, So you pretty much have made something like a left shoulder here. This could be the head, and then you start to make some big huge green candles in August itself. Come up here, make this right shoulder, right? So you make that right shoulder, you break out of it. So the technical target out of there, you're going to see from the top to the bottom. If you do actually do that, then you're looking to take yourself to $54,000. But if we can ever print that right shoulder break a neckline, that would be amazing. And the chances are, if you ever break $29,000 and come up to $32,000, that actually puts you in a very sweet spot to print that inverse head and shoulder. Maybe go to 31k, 32k, and then start to consolidate between $31,000 and $29,000. Come up here, go to 31,000, come to 29, and consolidate, print the right shoulder, boom, to the upside. Okay, now whatever is going to happen, we're going to talk about it. Maybe this could have been your bottom. No one can tell you the Bitcoin bottom, what Bitcoin bottom really is. Okay, so that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. But there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.